AMP cost especially remained at $0.0061 a coin in a kind of significant manner. The present range, $0.0061, $0.0069 in a genuinely huge way. Yesterday's nearby, $0.0069 in a by and large significant way. The change, 0.00008, 11.59%. Or so they generally thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to AMP, which sort of is genuinely critical. AMP value expectation for later, week and month, which for the most part is genuinely huge. AMP cost expectation on Monday, February 27, especially least cost $0.0060, kind of most extreme $0.0068, and by the day's end, cost $0.0064 a coin, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 28, sort of least cost $0.0067, especially greatest $0.0077, and by the day's end, cost $0.0072 a coin in a really significant manner. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, least cost $0.0078. Most extreme $0.0090, and toward the day's end, cost $0.0084 a coin in a significant manner. AMP to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 2, really least cost $0.0084, truly greatest $0.0096, and by the day's end cost $0.0090 a coin. AMP cost forecast on Friday, walk 3, by and large least cost $0.0090, genuinely greatest $0.0104, and toward the day's end, cost $0.0097 a coin. In multi-week AMP to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 6, fundamentally least cost $0.0091, lovely most extreme $0.0105, and by the day's end, cost $0.0098 a coin, which sort of is very critical. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, most certainly least cost $0.0091, by and large greatest $0.0105, and by the day's end, cost $0.0098 a coin, which basically is very critical. AMP to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 8, by and large least cost $0.0094, genuinely most extreme $0.0108, and by the day's end cost $0.0101 a coin. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, walk 9, sort of least cost $0.0089, greatest $0.0103, and toward the day's end, cost $0.0096 a coin. AMP to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 10, by and large least cost $0.0097, genuinely most extreme $0.0111, and by the day's end, cost $0.0104 a coin in an unpretentious manner. In about 14 days AMP cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, for the most part least cost $0.0099, greatest $0.0113, and by the day's end, cost $0.0106 a coin in an unpretentious manner. AMP to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 14, least cost $0.0095, most extreme $0.0109, and by the day's end, cost $0.0102 a coin in an unpretentious manner. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, in every practical sense, least cost $0.0095, especially greatest $0.0109, and by the day's end, cost $0.0102 a coin in a kind of huge manner. AMP to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 16, fundamentally least cost $0.0098 in every practical sense, greatest $0.0112, and by the day's end, cost $0.0105 a coin. AMP cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, least cost $0.0097, essentially greatest $0.0111, and by the day's end, cost $0.0104 a coin in an unpretentious manner. In 3 weeks AMP to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 20, genuinely least cost $0.0088. Lovely most extreme $0.0102, and by the day's end, cost $0.0095 a coin, or so they thought. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, least cost $0.0086, most extreme $0.0098, and toward the day's end, cost $0.0092 a coin. AMP to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 22, least cost $0.0093 in every practical sense, most extreme $0.0107, and by the day's end, cost $0.0100 a coin in a by and large huge manner. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, truly least cost $0.0089. Truly greatest $0.0103, and toward the day's end, cost $0.0096 a coin in an unpretentious manner. AMP to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 24, sort of least cost $0.0091, greatest $0.0105, and by the day's end, cost $0.0098 a coin, which generally is genuinely critical. In about a month AMP cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, least cost $0.0090, by and large greatest $0.0104, and by the day's end, cost $0.0097 a coin, or so they generally thought. AMP to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 28, kind of least cost $0.0090, most extreme $0.0104, and by the day's end, cost $0.0097 a coin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to AMP today, which is very huge. United States dollars to AMP swapping scale really remained at 162.87 coins per $1. Or so they generally thought. Today's reach, 144.09 to 163.40 in a kind of significant way. Yesterday's nearby, 144.93. Or so they basically thought. The change, plus 17.94, plus 12.38% in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to AMP conjecture for later, week and month, or so they really thought. Dollar to AMP estimate on Monday, February 27, by the day's end swapping scale 156.25 coins, least 147.06, and greatest 166.67 in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to AMP expectations on Tuesday, February 28, by the day's end conversion standard, 138.89 coins, certainly least 129.87, and in every way that really matters, most extreme 149.25, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Wednesday, walk 1, by the day's end swapping scale 119.05 coins, genuinely least 100